going on?
They want to shoot at me when I got 3 kids in the car. 4 kids. No, fuck that. Go get these motherfuckers.
Watch what happens when deputies responded after a road rage confrontation spiraled from aggressive driving into a driveway showdown involving a firearm and a crash.
Hour 3.
You gotta get these motherfuckers right now.
What's going on?
They want to shoot at me when I got 3 kids in the car. 4 kids. No, fuck that. Go get these motherfuckers.
Sir, they shot at me. I have 3 kids in my
Go
car.
get these motherfuckers.
My car.
Come on.
You stay.
Dylan,
That.
listen
They
to
want my
Hey,
kids.
bro,
They want my
I
kids.
gotta
understand
figure out
where
what's
you're coming from.
I
They
get
shot at my children.
I get it.
Literally,
You
I
understand
was
that,
there.
sir?
Right there?
No,
Yes,
sir,
no.
that house right there.
That's the
That
house.
White House. They shot at us when we
Who's
were
the
at
people in front of the car right here?
them. My buddy right here.
Their friend here.
Oh, no, the blue car. I don't know who that car
All
is.
the way to the house.
I don't know who that car
He
is. sir.
slammed on his brakes. My car is smashed on
All
the
right, where
front
are your
side.
kids at?
I
They're
have
in the
3
car.
kids.
Pull them
they
up
okay?
here. No,
Yeah.
pull them up here.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I haven't looked, bro. We just got here. He's talking about my fiance because we followed him here because they were calling the
In
cops.
which house?
He said we were driving
house
reckless
is above
and we were
us.
driving perfectly fine.
They shot out 4 times with this
4
guy on the phone.
Move the car
4
out from in front
times
of
he
us.
shot.
No, our cars are right here.
These are ours. I don't know who that is.
But he slipped. That's why our car slipped up because
He smashed into me. He already slammed on his brake.
I understand that.
Central the units on scene on
You see me?
reference the
Sorry,
shooting.
we didn't know you were
I told you
coming.
you need
No
to calm
evidence
down.
to prove who you are.
Apparently, this is the house.
This is the house right here. They went up with.
Well, I need you to go back to your fucking car.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
well, you might want to bring guns up there.
Yes, because he does have a gun, please.
He does, sir. He
Okay,
just shot at us.
but I need you to go to the freaking car.
Come
Go
on.
to the car. I don't
Go to
need
the
you
car.
standing in front of a house with some.
Them.
No.
They shot at my kids. I killed them. If I had my Yes, he did go.
Yeah, they did that. I have a
Go to your car.
What are we doing? Get on the ground right there next to the car. Get on the ground next to the car. Get on the ground next to the car. Get on the ground.
No.
Get on the ground. Do it now.
Okay.
Get on the ground. Do it now.
I'm on the ground.
Stay down. Stay down. I got him. You got her.
Stop. Cheyenne, stop. Cheyenne.
Do not move. Do you understand?
Here, my hands behind. Cheyenne, put your hands behind your back.
All
Cheyenne.
right. Do not move.
I'm not. My hands are behind my back, sir. Look, my
My
hands.
kids are in the
Cheyenne,
car.
don't move.
I
Cheyenne,
have
do
an
not
infant in
move.
the car.
Cheyenne, do not move.
I was going to check on
Cheyenne,
him.
Cheyenne, do not move. Cheyenne, we gotta get to our kids. Stop.
I tripped, sir.
We have 2 detained.
Hey, Sheriff's we just need to see your hands, all right? Anybody else in the house with you?
My wife and my roommate is in his room.
Okay, can they step out too with their hands up?
Yeah, you're good. And I
Just keep them up for me, all right? Till we see what's going on. Are you on the line with 911 right now? Okay, if you can just step out too. And is a roommate coming out too? Yeah, can you just turn around for me, man?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Come back. I'm
All
gonna
right,
pat you down real quick, all right?
Come back here.
Ma'am, can you step out here for me too?
Sorry, I'm just patting you down for my safety and yours, all right?
Yeah. Telephone, keys, wallet.
All right, well, we're figuring out what's going on here, okay? Is a roommate coming out?
I don't know what the hell he's doing.
Central for 23
well,
copy
Trying to get in the
domestic.
middle of our business, and I sent him the away, man.
With the roommate?
The roommate.
All right, is he still in the house?
He's still in the house.
All right, I need him to come out.
Deputy non-emergency to
Can you yell for him to come out?
A report for domestic issue.
Can you just keep your hands up, bro? Just walk down here with your hands up. Do we just need to check, make sure you don't have any guns on you and stuff first, and then we'll straighten it out, all right?
Hey,
Just-
bud, I live here. I just
Okay.
came outside. Relax.
Well,
Calm down.
apparently somebody. I am calm, bro.
Daniel, here, come here. I'm gonna pat you down for weapons, man. Come over here. Just put your hands on top of your head.
Why am I getting touched?
You're being patted down because there's a firearm that was discharged. That's all. All right? Here, just turn around. Put your hands on top of your head.
Just making sure.
Just making sure you ain't got no firearms, man.
Correct. They attacked me. Okay, let's go ahead and step out by the road here.
I want whoever hit my car arrested.
I don't know who saw me.
Investigators say the situation intensified once the vehicles stopped. One suspect allegedly attempted to strike the man with a car and rammed his parked vehicle while children were still inside.
You're not going anywhere right
Can
now.
I just walk to the back
Yeah,
of the
I
car?
can see them right now.
Can I
They're
stand
okay.
up? Can I stand up,
No.
please?
No.
Just let me
Cross
stand.
your legs.
Can I stand up and look at them,
Stay
please?
right there.
Please, can I stand up and look at them?
No.
Why?
Stay right there.
I just got shot at, sir.
Okay, I understand that, but we need to get control of this situation, so
I'm
you're going to stay
sitting
there.
here for you.
Perfect.
Hey,
buddy, perfect.
Sir, my kid just got shot at, bro.
We'll sort it out.
Stand up.
Stand up with me.
You're not going to go to it.
Stand up. You guys okay? Yeah. Everybody okay? All right.
You're okay, buddy. Can I stand here? No, I'm looking at my son, please. My son's looking at me, please. Please send him.
Tell me what's going on.
We were driving down 41. They were driving like we got in front of them. They got like right on our ass. So my husband just like.
Do you even know these people?
No, I don't.
Okay.
My husband slammed on his brakes. You know, they had to slam on their brakes. That's how close they were.
So they were
we were at the
tailgating,
stop
so
sign.
your husband
Yes,
jacked
they
on
were
the
at the
brakes
stop sign. My window was up.
What stop sign?
Or the stoplight on 41 and by the Publix, by Rita's and stuff like that, ABC Liquor, at Beaver Lane. We were at the. She comes running up and starts fucking hits the damn window.
Who's she?
I guess the same bitch that fucking slid into my car, the one in the gold car, came up and hit the. And I kept telling them go, 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 and we were going, and they followed us down the road. We were at the Harbor View. All of them got out to surround us. My husband took out the gun, and they proceeded, and he fucking came. Sorry, I don't mean to cuss.
That's all right. That's all right. You're wound up. I get it.
Well, I was just sitting in my car. My car just got damn back.
So you guys were at the light over on
Harbor
Kings
View.
and Harbor View?
Harbor View and Kings Highway. They all followed. There were three cars.
Is that where they got out of the car and surrounded you guys' car?
Yes, and that's when my husband showed him the gun, and he
So
friggin'.
he had a gun in him with the car, and he just pulled it out because they were surrounding your car?
Yes, there was. They were all surrounded. We came here.
How
They
many
followed
of them,
us here.
How many of them surrounded your car? How many people?
Honestly, I don't
You
know.
just saw people all around the car.
I just, because I was fighting with the blonde chick in the friggin' gold car, so, and then one of them, the one friggin' swung on him through the window. And to me, that's him. He pulled the gun and showed it to him. That's, they're like, oh, don't, huh? I don't know, because I pulled my phone out to call 911 because I'm like, this is ridiculous. We have all of the ones in the one car surrounding it. The chick, the only one that wasn't out of the car was the blonde-headed chick.
Okay.
And she's the one in the car screaming, I have babies, I have babies. I said, then you shouldn't be driving like an asshole like that.
Okay.
Well, this guy's a threat. That means they attacked him. Just letting you know.
Yeah, I don't even know.
I understand.
Yeah, there's a whole story. I just got here.
He came out. He came out
You guys got
because
these
he
new
lives
body
here with
cams I
me,
like.
and he heard the commotion. Because I kept warning him over and over and over again to
Just
go
stay
away.
inside, yeah.
Do not, do not,
These guys
do not.
came here, attacked us.
He came to me.
I come outside. I said, "What the hell's going on?"
They were coming at me, 3 or 4 of them.
All right.
I fired off 3 rounds at the ground. And
Both
said,
them cars are together there?
Yeah, they're all
both
three
of
rolled
them
up.
tried to attack me at the light.
Yeah.
At the freaking light up here at Harbor View and Kings Highway. Swinging on me through that. And I'm like, I'm reaching for my pistol. I got it out. I'm like, just walk away, bro. Just go away. Go away. He swings at me through the thing. I get an opportunity to go. He tries to pin me in. And then I was able to get around. There was a Corvette in front of us. I skeeted around. They followed here, got out. 3 or 4 of them were coming up at me. And I kept pointing at him. I kept telling him, dude, I do not want to shoot you. Walk away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
Right.
I'm screaming at him.
Not bad.
She's on the phone with 911. They're asking, who is that? Who is that? I'm telling
stay
her,
out of
I
here.
do not want to shoot you.
Come on over
I
here.
do not want to shoot you, I kept telling her. I believe I shot 3 rounds.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, just chill.
At the ground.
Yep, okay.
I didn't give you no permission.
It's fine. We're in handcuffs. It's not like we can do shit. Besides, get a lawyer. Dylan, stop or you're going to go to jail in a different fucking county quick.
Look at me.
I don't have
I'm just trying
bail.
to look at my son.
Listen to what I'm saying.
I'm listening.
I don't have bail right now. Quit.
Can you get off?
And we're going to talk. No, because you're getting up.
No, I'm not, sir.
No, this man just had to do.
No, I'm trying to fix my arm.
No.
My arms are split, sir.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Look, my arms are split.
Look, our primary concern is everybody's safety.
Look,
Okay?
I'm
You're moving.
You see me?
You're rocking, buddy.
I can't go nowhere. I can't go nowhere.
Stop.
I can't go nowhere, sir.
Stop. Just stop. listen to me. Your kids are okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we're gonna have a conversation.
Yes, sir.
Do you wanna have a conversation like a grown up?
Yes, sir.
Do you wanna stand up and walk over to the grass with me and have a conversation?
Yes, sir.
All right, stand up with me.
Can I grab my cigarette so they don't sit
My
down?
partner will grab them. Come over here and have a seat.
Yes, sir.
Let's
Can I
sit right
stand,
here.
please?
You
Please.
stand as long as you stay right
I
there.
promise you I'll stand right here.
Okay, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
When we get on scene,
Yes, sir.
last thing you want to do is fight with us.
No,
Okay, I'm and you're eating, right?
listen.
Look at me.
Can you understand that fact that I got my son,
Listen to me.
2 of my sons sitting in that car,
what do you-
and my 1-year-old
You're not
daughter?
listening. Sit back down.
You understand that?
Sit back down. You're not listening.
You gotta understand where he's coming from. There's about 4 shots and
That's why I was asking you other questions about the beach, to bring you back at least. You get what I'm saying? I know it's a traumatic thing, and it's...
His car literally brake checked the shit out of us. I mean, not smashed the front of my car because we weren't going very fast. We were probably going 20.
Okay.
My light and started literally blasting. That's because I got out of
So
the
you
car.
don't know these people at all?
No, I got out of the car at the red light and was like, what the fuck, what the fuck?
Okay,
And then,
which red light?
I'm not from here. I'm from Fort Myers.
Okay.
They sped off and Dylan, sped after them. We were like, what the fuck? And we got out of the car again. Well, he got out of the car this time at the red light and he was like, what the fuck? And the dude was holding the gun. I'm like, Dylan, he has a gun. He has a gun back up. He fired 1 shot off.
Okay.
And then drove again.
Okay.
Fired another shot off. And when we got here, he fired 2 or maybe 3 shots off.
Okay.
Because he said he was in his property.
Okay.
But by that point, we were already on the cops after the first.
Okay.
We have detectives coming out here.
Come on over
for
here,
their
boss.
investigation. Okay.
Yeah,
Come on.
We got a lot of moving pieces here. So I just appreciate if you guys just be patient, just hang out for a little bit, and we'll get through this.
So there's a fire down here?
There was 5 shots. There was 1 on Kings Highway, and that's when I called 911. And then while I was on the phone with the lady on dispatch, 4 more times. I was parked right here, and when she shot, she's like, "Was that just?" And I was like, "Yeah, those 4 rounds let off right there." Because he was shooting at them. I stopped back here because I have my kid in the car. I didn't want to pull up like that. I followed just so I could figure out, because I knew he was going to pull up to a house. He made this turn, he was going to pull up to a house, or he was going this way somewhere. I wanted to get enough to where dispatch was like, "Hey, where's he going?" So I didn't even know what street I was on. Busted this right, and I'm like, "Listen, there's water towers, there's ambulances, there's 4351 right here. I don't know what street I'm on. I know it's off of Kings Highway." And then I seen the deputy pull up over there.
Can anyone understand where we are coming from on this aspect?
Yeah.
If I had my son, he'd be dead right now.
Okay.
I would have point blank shot him in the fucking head.
Okay.
Because I'm allowed to, is what I would have said, just like he did.
You stand up, you're going to have a seat in my car.
Yes, sir.
All right, got it?
Yes, sir.
Turn this way. This way.
Yes, sir.
Have a seat in there.
Yes, sir.
Where was all this yes sir stuff a little bit ago? It would have gone a long way, bud.
No, sir. Can you listen to me for a second, please?
Everything going to be said to the detective, okay, bud?
But can you listen to me
Yeah,
for a
bud.
second? You see this right here? I got slammed.
Mm-hmm.
How do you expect me to be okay with my kids being shot at, sir? You
Right.
expect me to be calm. How do you expect
You're going to
that,
have to
sir?
learn. All right, watch your knees. Real quick, bud, we're going to walk over to the field over here. All right, just so people can take a look at you really quick. And then we're going to come back and sit back down, okay? All right. And the reason I put my hand on you is not because I think you're going to run. It's in case you trip or anything like that. I can keep you from falling because you can't stop yourself because you don't have your hands in front of you, okay? All right? Yep.
That's fine. Okay. I believe he's the one that hit the side window of the car.
The side window of the car?
The passenger side window of the car.
Okay.
I believe.
Is he the one that reached in the car, you were saying?
The kid that reached in the car was wearing a white shirt.
Okay.
So that him, and then there was another kid that reached in around him, came in from around him, swung, and like I said, I don't know if he's free or not. And he comes swinging in multiple times.
Just this guy right here, though.
Just this guy here. I believe he's the one that hit the windshield, or not the windshield, the passenger side of the car on 41.
Okay. Anything else about him?
I think that's it.
Let's go back to the car. Have a seat.
Like I said, that's it for everybody.
Have a seat.
Officer Joseph, right?
Deputy, get your foot out the door.
Deputy Joseph.
Get your foot out the door.
Later, deputies arrested Dylan and Sheehan. Dylan was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Sheehan was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, child neglect, 3 counts. Investigators say the situation started on US 41 near Gardner Boulevard around 10:30 p.m. after an alleged brake check led the pair to follow the other driver to his home. Once in the driveway, deputies say Perez confronted the man while Skidmore moved into the driver's seat, attempted to strike him with the vehicle, and then rammed the rear of the other car, pushing it forward and causing moderate damage. Authorities noted the other vehicle still had an adult in the passenger seat, and Skidmore's vehicle reportedly had 3 children in the back seat, raising the stakes immediately. Deputies say the homeowner fired 3 warning shots into the ground as the argument continued, and when deputies arrived, they tried to lock the scene down. Despite being told to stay put, Perez allegedly tried to get back into his vehicle and had to be physically stopped, and Skidmore was taken into custody after jumping on a deputy during the arrest sequence. Deputies reported Perez smelled strongly of alcohol, and both suspects later bonded out, $2,500 for Perez and $20,000 for Skidmore. For more real-world cases broken down clearly and responsibly, hit subscribe.